Hi everybody, I'm really excited for you to learn your first clogging step. But before we get started, we need to talk about a very important part of clogging, posture. Make sure that you're standing up straight with your shoulders down and your head up. In other levels of clogging, we'll be dancing with our arms, but for novice, let's keep our hands on our hips with your wrists straight. Make sure that you're not bringing your wrists into you or letting them sag. This takes a lot of practice, so practice in front of a mirror if you can. Now that you've got the posture down, let's learn your very first clogging step. It's called a walk in place, also known as a step in place. It may seem like a very simple move, but practicing it and learning it will help you start getting coordinated with your feet. Okay, let's start with weight on our right foot and our left foot lifted. Now you're going to put your left foot down and put the weight on it, and lift your right foot. Right foot down, left foot up. Down, lift, down, lift. Down, lift, down, lift. This is a walk in place. Notice that when I pick my foot up, I'm going to take the weight off of the heel of my foot first and then the ball of my foot. Then I'm going to put down the ball and the heel. Heel, ball, ball, heel. Heel, ball, ball, heel. Heel, ball, ball, heel. Great, let's try it with counts. Each step is going to take one count to do, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it together. I'll count you in 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll begin. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it again. Ready? Left leg up. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. You know your very first clogging move.